Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to add a vibrant touch to your documents by applying different text colors to specific parts. Want to make your document pop with color? Adding different text colors to specific parts is a fun way to highlight and emphasize important information. Let's get started. First, open your Word document and then select the text you want to colorize. So we will select, for example, this one, the heading here. We will change the font color of this selected text. Now, once you highlight the text that you want to change the color, please go to your Home tab at the top of your screen. It's like your creative hub. Now in the font section, you'll notice a little icon that looks like a letter A with a colored bar underneath. Give it a click. And then a drop-down menu will appear. So it's a drop-down menu with a palette of colors. So you need to choose what color do you want. For example, we want the header text to be color red. So we will choose color red. So once you're done choosing, all you have to do is to check if it suits your style. So remember, you can mix and match colors throughout your document to give it a dynamic and engaging look. And that's it. You now know how to easily apply different colors to specific parts of your document. It's a simple way to make your content visually appealing. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to apply different text colors to specific parts of a document. See you on my next video.